Hey, I've got a federal lock here, and it's a lock-out, tag-out lock, also known as a LOTO lock. In factories and places like that, different departments might have to do maintenance on machines, and they'll lock the machine with something like this. They'll put on a sticker, locked out, do not remove, and comes in different languages. And the purpose is so that if the maintenance person is inside the machine, no one comes along and turns it on. These LOTO locks usually come with one key, and that's for the same reason that someone else with a key might think, oh, that shouldn't be there, and remove it while there's someone that could be in danger. And I said they usually come with one key, and would you look at the bitting on that key? If you know keys, if it's got lots and ups and downs, then it's a real challenge to get into, and this looks like a challenge. These federal locks have beautiful keys, don't they? And I should say this is a 6 pin, so it's a secure lock. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. Paracentric keyway, it's really hard to fit in picking tools to pick the lock. And when you open it, the key, you can't get it out, and that's key retaining, because you want this locked properly before you're going to remove it. If it's not locked properly and you think, you just remove the key thinking it's locked, and someone comes and sees it open, they could easily remove it, and it's dangerous. Double ball bearing locked, so it's safe. So what does it take to get this open? I'm going to use my multi-pick wrench and tension it. I'm going to use my pick that Tiffany gave me, custom pick, and I'm going to see what I can feel. Okay, so we've got a pin in the middle that needs lifting up by the feel of it. Maybe this is easy for you to see. You can feel the pin that needs lifting up. It's just a matter of getting purchase on it and some leverage. Okay, there it is. Big click. And another one. Another one. Another one. One right near the front. Click. Okay. Another one at the back. And now okay, counter rotation. We've got security pins in here. Got that one, I think. And another security pin, and it's open. Okay,